We're here at our 9th grand opening in Cleveland at the Woodland Hills location. We have all sorts of things going on. We got games, we got music, we got DJs, we got all sorts of vendors going on. We even have someone doing gymnastics in the corner. We got our team all dressed up and we're all excited to be here.
We've got a lot of smart looking apparel from ArchWell Health and Swag Pro. I mean, it's branded, it fits well, it washes well, and it's just comfortable.
This is something that we're really excited to work with Swag Pro on. We have every new employee gets 4 or 5 different things. I have everything from winter apparel to summer apparel, all aspects of the weather here in Cleveland. But everyone's really excited to be dressed up in their uniform today. It's nice and comfortable. It's keeping everybody nice and cool or nice and warm when it needs to.
We want to look like a team. We want to look unified. And having swag like this, whether it's white polos, vests, orange polos, really makes us look good, makes us look sharp, and we're able to really have a unified front for our prospects and members that show up today.
Yeah, so when they join, they get an orange shirt, a navy shirt, and a white shirt, along with, depending on which market you're in. Cleveland desperately needed some of the warmer things, so everyone got a quarter zip, as well as a sweatshirt.
No, I think Swag Pro has done a great job outfitting ArchWell Health with all our swag needs. We've worked really well with my colleague Ryan, and the whole ordering process online is really easy.
We like to have everybody kind of color coordinated today. We have our membership consultants in orange. We have our leadership in white and blue. It just kind of helps differentiate ourselves. As we have our seniors, as they come in, they know they can always look for somebody in orange if they ever have any questions.
So wear it everywhere, wear it on the plane, and wear it to company meetings, and just really a smart looking outfit.